Charge high fees to your clients. Charge more ticket to your client. You see, if you're an entrepreneur or a solopreneur, you know how difficult it is to run a business. And especially if you're just starting a business, revenue is so crucial. And imagine if the revenue does not come in. What do you do? You have to shut down your business. When there are low margins or no margins, you cannot sustain your business. For that reason, you have to charge high fees to the client. Now you must be wondering, Dave, how can I charge high? My market is so competitive. Let me share a story with you. When I started my business in 2018, do you think I was the only coach? I was the only mentor? No, there were, if not lakhs, there were thousands of people in India who were still doing coaching and mentoring. There are so many business coaches, so many mindset coaches. How did I stand out? Here's what I did. Number one is I found my micro niche. I don't want to be me too. I wanted to see how can I be different? How can I add more value in a different way? And that's when the Passionpreneur Mastermind was born, which was not information but an execution-based program. That is what I decided, number one. Number two is how can I charge more fees so that they are more committed? So how do I promote myself? How do I brand myself? And how do I close the high ticket deals? So these are the two elements, micro niche and learning how to charge high ticket and close high ticket by promotion and conversion. That is what stood out for me. And I became a crorepati. Within just first year, I made 1 crore, second year, 2.5 crores, third year, 16 crores in my business of coaching and mentoring. How did I do it? There are step-by-step processes. But you know what? I'm not going to go in step-by-step process right now. I'll tell you at the end how you can learn how did I close from platform and how I closed crores worth of deals just on the webinars, on the platforms, not even physical, the virtual. How did I do it? I'm going to tell you. But I want you to understand that it is your duty to charge more. Because if you don't charge more, the commitment of your client would not be high. And the perceived value of the product also will not be high. You see, there's something very interesting. When people buy from you, if they pay high price, they have high expectation and they believe the value of this product is definitely high. So they get the best out of that. What's the same product? You give it a low cost, people will not value it. Why is it like that? This is how human behavior is. So it's your duty for them to get the best out of your product. Charge high fees, high ticket. And this is a win-win-win for everybody. They win because they get the perceived value high. You win because you get the high value and high margin. You can run and grow your business. Just think about this. I invested 25 to 30 lakhs in a program called Dragon 100 from Seafood Danlog. Just because I paid high fees, I want to get the best out of it. But imagine if that was not 20, 30 lakhs and there is one more program like that, similar to that, not exactly like this, where I spent about 3 lakh rupees. You see, 3 lakh versus 30 lakhs. Of course, I'll be more committed in 30 lakhs to get the best out of it. But imagine if Seafood Danlog charges only 3 lakh for this program for a year, I would not be committed. And this is the reason why my business grew substantially, because I started right from beginning. I started charging 1 lakh for the mentorship program, went to 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, and they just went upward. Within just 3 years, it went 5 times or 10 times more money. And of course, I increased the value as well. I cannot just say that, hey, charge more ticket and have same value. No, you keep increasing your value as well. But it's your duty to charge high ticket if you really, really want to grow in your business. Now, if you're wondering, but Dave, if I charge high ticket, people will not buy. Let me tell you, you're absolutely wrong. You're trying to project your belief on them. Don't compare yourself with others. Don't put your beliefs on others. There is a process, there's a technique, there is a step-by-step guide. How did I charge lakhs of rupees in just 1 to 3 days event? How did I do that? If you're really, really serious, if you want to learn what is the process, what are the step-by-step guide, check out the description, check out the details, follow the steps, follow the details, connect with my team to know how you can learn how to do platform closing and how to do one-on-one closing. How do you master the art of closing? That one skill is going to take your business 10 times bigger in just within 1 or 2 years. Don't believe me? Check it out and I will see you there. But charge high ticket and grow your business. This is Gadhvi. I will see you in the next video. Take care and God bless you.